We're going to get back into another Shein haul, and today I have some very exciting items. Let me show you the first thing I have to try. These are pants, and they are so cute. Let me show them to you. Oh my gosh, I'm like super excited to try these on. Check out these pants. They go all the way to the bottom. They have this really cool flare thing going on. It's like, oh, and they're like super soft, and they're actually fairly thick. These are not lightweight pants. They're fairly thick pants. So I am super excited to try these on. I hope you stay with me because we're going to try on several different outfits from sexy pants to sexy sweaters. So let's get started with our haul. Okay, I am so excited about these pants. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, they are like so comfy and so cute. Yes. Let me get a chair so you can see them better. Okay, check out these pants. Are they not just absolutely amazing? I love these pants. These pants are just the cutest. I think I'm going to be living in these pants in the winter. Let's go ahead and check out some more pants and sexy sweatshirts. Next up, I have this shirt, which is going to go under a sweatshirt. So let me show you the sweatshirt it will go under. It's going to go under this sweatshirt. Check it out. Then we're going to pair it with these pants. Check these babies out. They have a little flower pattern on them, and I think that is so darn cute. So very different than the pants I'm currently wearing. They don't have a flower pattern on them, and they're not as tight as these are going to be on the behind area. So, are you ready to check them out? Let's try them on. As you can see, this has a lovely graphic on the front of it. I'll step back so you can see the pants. I think they are super duper cute. Show you each side of them. So I just love this outfit. It is comfy, it's cozy, it's cute. I do have something on underneath of it, as I told you I would. It is this super cute, graphic-y, long sleeve t-shirt. The material is very, it's very slick. Yes, it's a very slick material. So that's what this looks like on. It's kind of chilly in here, so I'm going to put this back on here. So let's try on the next outfit, which is going to be a pair of pants. It's not quite an outfit yet, but it is a pair of pants. Whoa, I dropped him. Okay, we got him. Here's the pair of pants. You might not be able to tell, but these pants are also kind of a velvety texture. They have pretty paisleys on them and pretty flowers, as you can tell. So let's go ahead and try these ones on next. And here are the next pants. They are very similar to the other ones. Show them to you. See my pants. See my pants. I think they're super cute. I really like them. They're soft. They're comfy. This sweatshirt's pretty comfy. So I'm pretty comfy right now. I might just stop the video right here. Just kidding. We have some more to check out. So let me show you our next outfit. The next item we have is this super cute, I don't want to call it a sweatshirt because it's not really made of sweatshirt material, but it is a hoodie. So it's a little cute little graphic hoodie here. And then the arms just have like a neat little print on them. Alright, so I might as well just take this one off and put the other one on. I don't need to go anywhere. Bear with me for a moment. Just getting dressed in front of you. We do this all the time. We're like old friends. Alright, let's put this baby on and see what it is like. Oh, warm. Just kidding. It's actually kind of cold because it's been sitting out. So here, let me show it to you. Zip it up. There is the front. Oh, the tags are still on it. I'm not going to return it, don't worry. I'm going to turn around and show you the back. That is the front. And this is the back. And that is going to do it for today's haul. So if you got value out of the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. That will help the algorithm recognize my channel. It's Ms. Angela Sawyer. I've left you a few videos right here to check out, so be sure to check those out next. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.